With this lesson, I am starting a new course in Urdu language. This is level 2 course, and the prerequisite of this course is a beginner's level course that is already available on this channel, and there is different playlist for that. This course will be helpful for the non-native Urdu speakers, and it will take the learning to the higher level. Urdu lessons on this channel were uploaded with the intention to help only non-native Urdu speakers. But these lessons are also covering the scope of those non-resident Pakistani and Indians living or born abroad, and their Urdu language skill is not different from the non-native Urdu speakers. Unfortunately, at present, there is no solution for the advanced users of Urdu language on this channel. This course will include dialogues on various occasions and situations in day-to-day life. The first lesson is about the meeting and greeting situations. Whenever two Urdu speakers meet, they use words like Assalamu alaikum and Wa alaikum assalam. Assalamu alaikum and Wa alaikum assalam are Arabic words. Assalamu alaikum means peace be upon you, and Wa alaikum assalam is used in reply, mean upon you be peace. And in Wa alaikum assalam, the part Wa mean and. So let's start the lesson 1 in course 2 on Urdu language. Dialogue 1 or Makalma number 1. Makalma mean dialogue. Is Meem, Kaf, Lam, Meem, He. There are two characters, Muhammad and Mahmud. So Muhammad says, Muhammad, Assalamu alaikum. Mahmud, Wa alaikum assalam. Mahmud, Muhammad Sahib, आप कैसे हैं? Muhammad replies, Alhamdulillah, मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. और आप कैसे हैं महमूद साहब? Now, if you see that English translation, for example, here in this part, Muhammad Assalamu alaikum, Wa alaikum assalam. Muhammad Sahib, आप कैसे हैं? Mr. Muhammad, how are you? Sahib in Urdu is the same meaning as we have Mr. in English, and for Miss or Mrs. we can use Sahiba, like Bilqis Sahiba or Maryam Sahiba. So Mahmud, Muhammad Sahib, आप कैसे हैं? Mr. Muhammad, how are you? And then Muhammad replies that Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah is again the Islamic convention. All praise to God. And for non-Muslims, it would be just मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. I am fine, thank you, and how are you? So Muhammad, Alhamdulillah, मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. Alhamdulillah, I am fine, thank you. और आप कैसे हैं महमूद साहब? And how are you, Mr. Mahmood? Here Mr. Mahmood. Oh, it's okay. So Alhamdulillah, मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. और आप कैसे हैं महमूद साहब? Alhamdulillah, I am fine, thank you. And how are you, Mr. Mahmood? So शुक्रिया is thank you. मैं ठीक हूँ, I am fine. और आप कैसे हैं? और and आप कैसे हैं? How are you? Mahmood Sahib, Mr. Mahmood. Let me repeat. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Muhammad Sahib, आप कैसे हैं? Alhamdulillah, मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. और आप कैसे हैं महमूद साहिब? Now let's come to the structure. like Muhammad. We have Mim, He, Mim, Dal. Mim, He, Mim, Dal. Then Mahmud, Mim, He, Mim, Waw, Dal. Assalamu alaikum. Alif, see Alif, Lam, Sin, Lam. Alif, Lam, Sin, Lam, and then Alif, Mim. Alif and Mim. Wa alaikum. Wa here. And Lam, choti ye. Kaf and Mim. Wa alaikum assalam. Wa and Lam, choti ye. Kaf, Mim. Wa alaikum assalam. Alif, Lam, Sin, Lam, Alif, Mim. And for Mr. or Sahib, Swat, Alif, He or Ha in Arabic as you say is Swat, Alif, He and Be. Ha or Ba. Kaf, छोटी ये, सीन, बड़ी ये. कैसे, कैसे, how. Then ठीक, ठ, टे, हे. छोटी ये, काफ, ठीक. Then शुक्रिया. शीन, काफ, रे, छोटी ये, हे. बी, बे, छोटी है, बे, दो चश्मी है, एंड छोटी है. भी, क्वाइट, बिल्कुल. बे, अलिफ, लाम, काफ, लाम. Sometime we say I am also right, I am also fine. So for also we use मैं भी ठीक हूँ, मैं भी ठीक हूँ. Or we can say I am quite well. मैं बिल्कुल, quite mean बिल्कुल. I am quite well. मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. So these two words can be used. So बे, अलिफ, लाम, काफ, लाम, बिल्कुल. So अस्सलामु अलैकुम, वालेकुम अस्सलाम. मोहम्मद साहिब आप कैसे हैं? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. और आप कैसे हैं महमूद साहब? Now let's see how to write these sentences by hand. मीम, काफ, अलिफ, मकालमा, लाम, मीम एंड हे. मकालमा मीन डायलॉग. नंबर एक, मकालमा नंबर एक मीन डायलॉग नंबर 1. So Muhammad, Meme, then Hey, Meme, and Dal. Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum. Alif, Sin, Lam, Alif, La, and Meme. Assalamu, Wow. Alaikum. And Lam, Ye, Kaf, Meme. Mahmood. Meme, He, Meme, Wow, Dal. Wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum. And Lam, Ye, Kaf, and Meme. Assalam. Here Lam is silent. Alif, Lam, Sin, Lam, Alif, La, and Meme. Wa alaikum assalam. मोहम्मद साहिब आप, लिफ मदआ पे, कैसे, काफ ये, सीन बड़िए, हैं. मोहम्मद साहिब आप कैसे हैं? Alhamdu, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. मैं थी, टे हे, टे हे छोटी ये का, थी हैवी साउंड। मैं ठीक हूँ, मैं ठीक हूँ, आई एम फाइन। शुक्रिया, शीन, काफ रे छोटी ये एंड हे। और आप कैसे हैं? शुक्रिया, और आप कैसे हैं? So in this dialogue we have seen how to start the discussion when two person they meet, they talk to each other. One person says, one person starts the discussion by saying Assalamu alaikum. It is similar as we say hi, good morning, good evening. So in Urdu there is no such difference between good morning and good evening, although there are words like subah bakhair, but conventionally we are not using frequently those formal words. So in day-to-day life we use word assalamu alaikum and wa alaikum salam. Whatsoever the time is, whether it is morning or it is evening, we say assalamu alaikum, and then other person he replies wa alaikum assalam. So assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. मोहम्मद साहिब आप कैसे हैं? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया, और आप कैसे हैं महमूद साहिब? So that's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.